Hi, this is Don and welcome to my Porsche online sales review. On this channel I present and review sales from Bring a Trailer, Cars and Bids, and other locations, and I only look at manual transmission sales. For February 17th, a very nice red 94 911 Carrera 4 wide body sold for $196,400. That's a fat price for a wide body 911, but a great looking car. Wow. Another fat price went to another red 24,000 mile 2002 911 Carrera Coupe. It sold for $52,000. Maybe it's a red thing, post Valentine's Day or something. A white 09 Cayman sold for $28,986, probably a fair value for a 987.2. A really nice linen gray 24 years owned 1989 Turbo Coupe sold for $201,930. This 58,000 mile example is likely a good buy at that price, and it's yummy. Another turbo, a red 23,000 mile 2009 911 Turbo, sold for $164,000, which seems high, but 997 turbos are gaining steam. A seal gray 20,000 mile 2001 911 Carrera Cabriolet sold for $39,000, likely a fair price for a nice example. Lastly, a very bright light yellow 3-liter powered 1975 911S sold for $56,500, and it's not a pristine piece. It may have been a bit high, but the mods have been tasteful and the color will certainly grab a lot of attention. In non-Porsche sales, a stunning silver Dino GTS with 32,000 miles sold for $501,000. And that's just a wonderful, sublime car. On Cars and Bids, a black 2009 Cayenne GTS with 99,000 miles sold for $25,500. It's always nice to see a manual Cayenne. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please consider subscribing if you like this content, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Be well.